All right, folks, today we're looking at a beautiful property. This is 1759 North Dorgenois Street. We are in a great mid-city location. We have off-street parking for multiple cars on the left side of the building. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. It is just under 1,500 square feet. As you can see, it has been beautifully renovated and restored. Just look at these hardwood floors in here. They are gleaming. Right here is going to be our living room space, and you can see these almost floor-to-ceiling windows will open up and allow you to walk through out onto that beautiful front porch. I like the storm shutters. It's just dripping with New Orleans charm. Here is our living room. We have these great wood cabinets, nice brand new countertops, all stainless steel appliances. This property was renovated in 2022, so most of the things in here have been recently looked at and worked on. We're going to walk down this hallway, and I just love the number of windows we have along this wall. It lets so much light in here. Off to our right, we have a little washer-dryer room, and it's a good size where you can fit some storage in here. You can see they've got their broom, and it's a good functional space with these great historic doors on it. To our right, we have our first bedroom. Same kind of great historic doors. You can see we still have our historic windows and refinished antique wood floors. I love how we have a mantle and fireplace in this room. Of course, that's going to be capped off like most of our fireplaces in New Orleans, but it's still a great architectural element. Here is our closet for the bedroom. Further along here, we have our guest bathroom that is off the hallway, and it's a beautiful bathroom with a great tiled walk-in shower. I love the use of the penny tile on the floor here, and that's in great contrast to the floor tile of the bathroom. We've got a great vanity here. All of this is just move-in ready and waiting for the new buyer. Here we have our primary bedroom suite. As you can see, the room is a tremendous size. We have a mantle and fireplace here, which just ties it all together with the rest of the historic home. Here is our bathroom. And again, just a nice blend of modern amenities and historic charm in here as well. Off to our left, we have our primary closet, which again is a great size and has been built out with shelves for your convenience. Now we will go outside and I'll show you the land that we're on. This is a nice size lot for the area. As you can see, I mean, off-street parking is just a huge benefit. And then behind me, we have a good sized backyard, and we've got 2 sheds built on the property. So they have patioed over most of the grass here, but we have these 2 structures that are built on the property line. If you know New Orleans real estate, you know that having these is a great benefit because the city would not let you build this close to the property line again. But you can renovate and restore these structures that are already built on the property line. So these are a great benefit to us here and potentially could lead to a second unit back here, a mother-in-law suite, something like that. Here's a view of the back of the house. As you can see, every bit of it has been touched and it's really in good shape. This property is going to be open all weekend pretty much. I think we're holding it Saturday and Sunday, and we expect we'll get significant interest in it. I wanted to shoot this walkthrough Wednesday for everybody so that y'all would have a chance to see it before it's gone. If you have any questions about the property, please feel free to comment below the video or to reach out to Chris Smith directly at 504-231-2004. Again, this is 1759 North Dorgenois Street, and it is available now. It is offered at $425,000. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're having a great day.